Hello everyone, welcome to my channel CAD by Nagendra. So in this video, we are going to see how to enter into Sketcher and what are the different type of options we are having under Sketcher. So to enter into Sketch, let me enter into here new and just we'll click on part. Let's say OK. Then directly we have entered into here part design, and as you can see here, this we call it as tree display, as already we have discussed in basic introduction section. So in tree display we will be having here three planes with one origin. So usually this planar axis system with origin will be in hidden mode. So if you want to show that, as you can see here, visibility option will be there with the eye symbol. Just if I click here, and if you turn on this axis systems, if I click here, all planes will be shown properly here. Or else if you want to hide, just you can hide or show by using this hide or show option like this. Now, for example, I need to create one sketcher on this front plane. So to enter into sketcher on the front plane, just I'll click here. As you can see, above that we are having here four options. So in that first option we are having sketch. So sketch is used to enter into sketch on this particular front plane. Then next option we are having here show. Usually this front plane is in hidden mode. If you want to show that, just we can click on here show option. That plane will be shown properly. Then next to that we are having here zoom to selection and normal option. Later we will see about these options. Now let me hide this, and I need to enter into here sketcher on front plane. Just I'll click on front plane and I'll click here on sketch option. Once if I click on sketch option, as you can see, origin point is able to visible here, and we are able to see this all options related to 2D sketcher. Now let me start here with single option. So first option we are having here exit sketch. So exit sketch means after creation of our own sketch, if you want to come out of from 2D to 3D, there to come out of from 2D sketcher, we use this exit sketch option. Then next option we are having smart dimension. After creating profiles, by using this smart dimension, we are able to assign all dimensions related to profiles. And if I open here, different type of dimensions will be available for us, like horizontal dimension, vertical dimension, baseline dimension. Later we will see one by one by using examples. Then next to that, we are having here profiles. First profile we are having here line. Let me click on line. As you can see, preview also will be shown in a pop-up how to create a particular line. Now shortcut key also it is highlighting as L. Instead of selecting here directly, if you use shortcut of L, we are able to create line profile directly. Now let me click on this line. Once if I click on line, again some options we are able to get here. As sketched means however you want, you are able to draw the line like this. Then next to that, horizontal if I click, we are able to draw only horizontal lines like this. As you can see, it is representing with yellow color symbol. If it is highlighting with yellow color, so that relation is going to apply for this particular element. Now as you can see, it is highlighting in green color horizontal. This is a horizontal line. Just let me click on line. Then again vertical if we turn on, we are able to draw only vertical lines like this. And we are able to create continuous line profiles by using this line option like this. Then next to that, with inclination also we can create by using angle. Then if I turn on construction, you are able to get line for construction purpose like this. It is used for construction purpose. Then next to that, infinite length we are having. Infinite length is nothing but there will be no end for that particular line. Let's create one horizontal infinite length with reference to this origin point. Now if I make zoom out by scrolling scroll button, as you can see, there is no end for that particular element. Now we have made somewhere here zoom in and zoom out, and we want to fix exactly at center of the screen with proper axis system. So in that condition we can use this zoom to fit option. You can use shortcut as F. If I click on this, as you can see, properly profile will be fitted onto the screen. So that is about this zoom to fit option. Then next to that, just I'll click on line. We are having here midpoint line. So midpoint line is nothing but we are able to create one line profile with reference to any point in both directions with equal length like this. Either it may be horizontal or vertical or inclined. Any shape we are able to draw with reference to particular point. We are able to get equal length on both directions at a time. Then again in line, one hidden option is available here. Now let me create one line here like this. So we are using line option. Now along with this line option, I need to create one curve from here. So in that condition, no need to go for again separate arc option. Directly by using this line, we can come forward and just if you go backward onto the same point, you are able to get here curvature. So just I am drawing continuous lines. So if you want one curve here straight to continuous to this, just we can go forward, come backward to the same point. You are able to get curvature here. Directly by using line, you are able to create this curve profile also like this. So in this way, you can create this line option. Let me delete everything here. Then next to that, we are having here center line. So center line is nothing but for construction purpose. Just we are able to draw how we want the line. And it will be with construction profile. Then next option we are having midpoint. Already we have discussed about this. Midpoint means with reference to any point with equal length we are able to get on both directions at a time like this. So that is about this line. Then next to that we will go here with rectangle option. So if I click on rectangle, as you can see different type of rectangles we are having here of 5 types. Let me go here with first one, corner rectangle. In preview you are able to see first point and second point. Means by using 2 points, 2 corner points, we are able to create this rectangle profile like this. Next we are having centered rectangle. By using center point and one end, we are able to create this center rectangle. Then next to that we are having here 3-point corner rectangle. First point, second point and third point. Just we are able to create this rectangle by using 3 points. Then again one more we are having 3-point center rectangle. First point should be selected center, second should be at again center point, then third is like this. Again we are having parallelogram. First point, second point and third point, either in which direction we want, we are able to change direction here. So again for assigning dimensions, we use smart dimension and we'll assign the dimensions here. So like that we can use here rectangular option. Then next to that we are having here slots. As you can see, straight slot. First point, second point, third point. Let me create first point, then second point and third point. If you want exactly straight, that yellow color horizontal symbol should be highlighted. So if it is highlighting in that symbol, so we are able to create a straight profile like this. Then next we are having here center point straight slot. First point, then second point, then next to that we are having here third point. Now let me click here, then we are able to draw like this shape. So like that we are having different types here. 3-point arc slot, first point, second one, third point, then how much radius we want, we are able to specify here. Then next to that we are having center point arc slot. We need to start with center point, then starting first point, then just you can rotate like this and we are able to get ending point and you are able to give how much radius you want for that particular profile by using this center point arc slot. Now let me delete that. Then next to that we are having here 2 type of circles. Let me click on first circle. So we are able to create one circle by using center point like this. Then one more we are having by using perimeter circle of 3 points we need to select like this. By using 3 points we are able to create this perimeter circle. Next to that we are having here arcs. So arc is nothing but a sector of a circle. Now first we are having here center point arc. We need to start from center point, from where we need to start up to where you want. So just you can draw like this. Then next to that we are having tangent arc. So to create tangent arc, continuous profile should be there. Directly if you want to start, it won't come, it will show error. So to create this tangent arc, some support should be there. Now let me create one line here, and we need one curve tangent to this. So in that condition we can use here tangent arc. From here just we can create one arc here. As you can see, tangency symbol is applied here. Next we are having here 3-point arc. So first point, second point and third point we can create like this. So in this video just we are going to see how to create this particular options and how to use this. Then next we are having here polygon. So here how many sides we want, we need to specify. Now let's say for example I need some 7 sides septagon. So inscribed circle or circumscribed circle. First I'll use inscribed circle is nothing but whatever this polygon profile is there, it will be created outside of this curve. Same if I go with circumscribed circle, if I create the profile here, this profile will be created inside of the circular profile. So according to our requirement, we can use either inscribed circle or circumscribed circle. Then next to that we are having here spline. So spline is nothing but it is a continuous curve profile we are able to use like this. And if you want to end up to there, you can just double click there, it will get end there. Like this we are able to use. Then next we are having here ellipse profiles. Let me click on ellipse, center point, major axis distance, minor axis distance, you can create like this. Then again under that we are having partial ellipse. Just we are able to create how much you want, only that much we are able to create with arc profile like this. Then next to that we are having parabola. So first point, second point, from where you want up to where we want, just we can create like this parabola. Then conic shape will be there, just you are able to create conic shape like this. Then up to where you want, we are able to get this conic shape by using this ellipse, partial ellipse, parabola, conic. Now let's see this fillet and chamfer option. So what is meant by this fillet means, let's say for example we are having one rectangle here. For this rectangle we are having here sharp edges. So the sharp edge we need to convert into here with smooth curve edge. So in that case we can use here fillet option. Then entitles to fillet. So where we need to apply fillet, let's apply fillet between this line to this line. How much radius we want, we are able to specify here. So if I increase radius here, as you can see that curve dimension is going to change. And let's say okay, that sharp edge will be converted into smooth curve edge like this with the radius of given dimension. Now let me go back by using Ctrl+Z. Then same fillet, if you want to apply for all corners at a time, just you can hold mouse left click and you can select the entire thing like this, and you can specify how much radius you want, and let's say okay. As you can see, dimension is going to apply only at one side. If you want all corners individually, we need to turn on this dimensions each fillet like that. So this is about fillet option. Then next to that we are having here chamfer. So chamfer is nothing but we are able to convert sharp edge into blunt edge by using angle and distance or distance and distance. So maximum conditions we will be using here angle and distance. Let me go here with angle and distance. How much length we want, let me give some more dimension as we have not given proper dimensions for this, and angle of 45 degrees between these two. If I say okay, right, with a dimension of 500 with inclination of 45 degrees, we are able to apply chamfer. If you want to modify dimension, just we can double click on that and you are able to modify how much dimension we want like this. Again I'll click on chamfer. Same again one more we are having distance into distance. So we are able to give both the dimensions. So let me give some more dimension here. Let me give some 1500 between this to this. As you can see, chamfer is created with horizontal and vertical dimension of 1500 into 1500. So like that we can create this chamfer option. Now let me select and let me delete this. I hope you are understanding this. Then next to that we are having text option. So in Sketcher, if you want to create any 2D sketch, directly you can click on text and you are able to enter whatever you want. Let me enter some text here. Let's say for example CAD by Nagendra. Where you want, just I'll click somewhere here. So text will be created, but size is very small. So if you want to increase or decrease the dimension, as you can see, it is very small and we are not able to see that shape properly. So in that condition, if you want to increase or decrease the size, again font style, as you can see, use document font option is turned on. Let me turn off that. Then we need to go here with font and you are able to change here font style. Then either only block you want or block oblique you want, you are able to change options also. And by using units also you are able to change height, or else by using points also you are able to change height. Now let me give some 100 and let's say okay. Just I'll make this fit. As you can see, size is increased here. So like that we can change font sizes of text by using that document font turning off, and we need to go for font option. Next option we are having point. By using this we are able to create wherever we want like this 2D points. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting. If any doubts you have regarding this, please let me know in comment box. Thank you once again.